Hello friends, my name is Dr. Murtaza Adeeb. I am a consultant orthopedic surgeon from Pune. I specialize in total knee replacement surgery and total hip replacement surgery, and I also specialize in robotic total knee replacement surgery. Today we will discuss briefly about common questions that arise to patients while considering robotic total knee replacement surgery. So the first question usually people have is that what is the difference between a conventional total knee replacement and a robotic total knee replacement? So the main difference is that in a robotic total knee replacement surgery, we use the robot to help us during surgery whilst taking the bony cuts. So while cutting the bone, while shaping the bone so that the implant fits in, we use a robot instead of using conventional instruments. The information for the robot to do these cuts is actually provided by the surgeon. So ultimately the surgeon does most of the work. A robot does some of the work in terms of cutting the bone. The second question is that is there a price difference between a conventional total knee replacement and a robotic total knee replacement? And the answer is yes. The robot is quite expensive, and therefore there is a surcharge that most hospitals will apply for robotic total knee replacement surgery, and this can vary from rupees 25,000 to rupees 45,000 rupees. The last question is that is there a difference in results for the patients between total knee replacement done conventionally and one using a robot? And the answer to that is that we still don't know. It is still early days. We'll still have to wait for a while, and then we can look at results, compare results maybe after a few more years. There are certain advantages that a robotic knee replacement surgery can offer, and those being that because we use a robot, we get better, more precise cuts in the bone. The second advantage of a robotic total knee replacement surgery is that because we use the robot, we do not have to cut that much soft tissue, and therefore that leads to less post-operative pain and faster recovery as far as the patient is concerned. In the future, I'm sure that robotic knee replacement surgery will have slightly better results as compared to conventional total knee replacement surgery. Thank you.